All right, so guys, before I do this intro, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I've got a special guest with me today. Going to a place about 45 minutes away, but I finally got a special guest. He watches every episode. I told him he could come with me. So he's the first guest, official guest. So enjoy. All right, guys, welcome back. Hood Food Review, episode 17. Today I've got a special guest with me, my man Walt. I'm Black Walt. This is White Walt. So he's asked me, as I showed you in the video before this one, he's asked me to come on one of these videos. I've always blown him off because I'm like, man, I'm not bringing anybody with me on these videos. First special guest right here. So today we're going to a place in Fallston, North Carolina. It's called the Honey Hog. Don't know much about the place, but I do know that if you don't like meat and you're a vegan, you might want to cut this off now. So they only deal with like farm food, and it's their farm food and local farm foods. They get all their milk and cheese from the local dairy. All the meat comes from their farm, which is a couple miles down the road. So, I mean, I think this place is gonna be amazing. What do you think?
I'm hungry.
Well, Walt's hungry, he's always hungry. So yeah, we're gonna get there, and I'm not gonna talk your head off today. We're gonna actually talk to you when we get there. But also, we were at 472 subscribers last week. We're at 514 today. So all of you guys that have subscribed, thank you so much. All of you guys who are back again, thank you for watching. Let's get to this food. All right, so we're sitting here at a red light in Shelby, North Carolina. Walt might be asleep. Oh no, he's awake, he's awake.
Abner's. Steaks, Western style pinto beans, but the Western style flavor on them, and sourdough bread and beer, cold beer. And that's all they cook. And they'd come on the radio and say, Little Abner's, if you can't find us, you don't deserve to eat here. And that was it.
The civilization.
Honey Hog right there.
Holy. All right, so we're here. This place is called the Honey Hog. I'm not really sure what's going on with this thing up front. Walt is walking inside. He's a little nervous of the camera. He thought that I told these places that I came to do these reviews. He's like, well, you're gonna tell the people first. I'm like, absolutely not, Walt. So yeah, this is gonna be an experience for him as well, because I don't know. I think he thought these things were staged, but he's gonna realize today that they're not. So this is our place right here. They've got a store on the side for a local market. Yeah, so we're gonna walk in here. Let's go. Let's see, their business hours are right here. They're gonna be Monday closed, Tuesday closed, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So don't come on a Monday or a Sunday, or no, a Monday or a Tuesday, because it's not gonna work out. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place, brick building. They're not really busy right now, so we're gonna go in here and see if we can get some food. Oh, so this is pretty cool, like a little home style place. Got some pictures in here. See a hostess. Oh, they got some cakes and beers and pecan pie. And like I said, all this stuff is from like the town, probably. So we just walk in. Walt has already given them strike one. Why do you give them strike one, Walt?
Pepsi products.
So they only have Pepsi products. They didn't have his diet drink he wanted because he wants Diet Coke. What's really good here?
Barbecue is really good. Okay. Brisket. A lot of people get the Boston Philly. It's like a Philly cheesesteak with brisket on it.
Okay. So I know we gotta get the fried cheese curds for an appetizer, because the person who told me to come here said get those.
Yes.
Alright. You would suggest those too?
Yeah, they're really good.
I think the rating is gonna be out here because I totally missed it to start with. Yes, right here. So they have a 97.5, which is really, really good. And the more I look, there's actually a bar in the back. So I don't know where these steps go. Food. There's another room. Like, they've got tons of rooms. Like, look at this. Nobody's in here, so I can show you this room. Like, Man, this is like the VIP lounge. And then they have a bar back here. So that's pretty cool that they have a bar. Get out of the waitress's way. I'm not sure if it is back here. Yeah, so now you have the tour of this restaurant. All right, so our waitress just pulled a big old switcheroo. I don't know what happened, but a different one came back. Like, she was just like, boom, can I take your order? I'm like, wait, you're not the same person. Did you think it was the same person?
I really wasn't paying attention.
Well, I was definitely paying attention because I pay attention to stuff like that.
They're also pretty.
Go ahead and order, Walt.
I just want the Johnny Ray's bourbon peach chicken wings. And I get some french fries.
Okay.
Where'd our other waitress go? What happened to her?
So on Saturdays we don't have a section, so we just kind of do whatever. And so if she's busy, I'll come and take.
You heard there was a good looking man over here named Walt.
That's exactly right.
And me. Me too.
We're both named Walt.
Really?
Yep. He's White Walt and I'm Black Walt. I want to get the brisket.
Okay, you want the chopped brisket? That's all I have.
I mean, if that's all you got, then that's what I gotta
We don't
get.
have the sliced brisket till after 5.
Dang, sliced. I love sliced too.
And it's good. Y'all
Let
have
me-
to come back.
We'll make chicken pie.
All right, so I'm not getting that brisket. What should I get? Pick something for me. Boom, you're gonna pick it.
If you want a burger, I always say the Duke because it's a really popular burger. It's really good. That or the same trailer, different bar.
Same trailer, different park. You already know what I'm going for. I don't know what's on it. What's on it?
It's pimento cheese, fried pickles, spicy bread.
What's the other option?
The Duke, it's got onion rings, bacon, pepper jack, barbecue sauce.
We're gonna get the Duke with no onions or no onion rings. Is the onion rings on the side or?
I can put them on the side.
Yeah, I don't want to eat onion. You eat onion rings? No onion rings.
I got fries.
I don't even know what the Duke is, but we're getting the Duke. All right.
How do you want it cooked?
Medium rare.
I don't know if they'll do it medium rare, but it'll
Medium. Medium fine.
Alright, do you want a side with it?
A side? I guess I should have looked at this menu better. I was pretty set on what I was getting. Mac and cheese for sure. I always get mac and cheese. Everybody knows that.
Let me go see if it's ready.
Oh.
They had it in the oven. Let me see. Alright, if we got it, I'll put it in there, okay? Is that gonna be it?
Diet Pepsi.
More Diet Pepsi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, I would just say, kind of, you got it on the menu, you need to have it where people eat it.
I just said we came too early.
Well, probably so.
They opened at 11 and 12. And they open till 9 or 8. I think it's 9 today. I can't believe we're both in frame right now. Walk. Alright, so yeah. I really hope they have the macaroni and cheese because I like trying different people's macaroni and cheese. I really wanted that brisket. Alright, so the cheese curds just got to the table. No, go ahead and try one of those, Walt. You're gonna see the joy in his face.
No, I think they're hot as blue blazers.
They're hot as what?
Blue blazers.
Oh, we got, oh, no, y'all gotta stop switching on us.
I'm still the same one.
No, she just brought these. Brought them on the table. I'll help you, Walt. How was that cheese curd?
It's I mean, it's like kind of like mozzarella is what it tastes like to me. Like fried mozzarella.
But was it good?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so we got White Walt's perspective. Now we're gonna get Black Walt's perspective. I'm not dipping that because I'm just not gonna do it. It's super cheesy. Definitely mozzarella cheese. Before these came out, Walt tried to tell me these were based off of pimento cheese.
Well, curves. They're curves.
Yeah, well, these definitely aren't pimento cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, this review is not gonna be fair now, because you seen me want to order some sliced brisket, and they were like, well, we don't start until this evening. You know, I just got a tour by the owner, and he never does this, so do not try to do this. But he wanted me to be able to tell you guys how his brisket is, and yeah, look at that right there. Oh, that brisket just
That's pretty good.
walk.
No, you go ahead. No, go ahead.
This is no sauce. You're gonna have to use 2 hands. 2 hands. Go ahead, pull it off. Wait till the flavor hits.
It's probably as good as I've had.
Listen. I'm gonna tell y'all now. You seen that brisket just, I'm almost speechless. The smoke flavor in this brisket, like, I don't even care.
Pretty good.
If I was anybody else's son, I would say that brisket is so good that you can slap your mama for it. But I ain't gonna slap my mama. I ain't even think about it, because she would kill me and kill you for like trying to make me slap my mama.
Smack me, go ahead.
I'd probably smack Walt, but I can't smack him because he's my special guest. But this, I normally don't eat like a savage, but it was too good to eat with silverware. All right, so you already know about the brisket because he brought it like an appetizer, because we already had an appetizer, but it was a super appetizer. They got the macaroni and cheese. Got my burger right here, my voluptuous burger with the sauce, and then we got Walt with the, what are the smoked?
Johnny Ray's bourbon peach.
Look at those.
Smoked and then fried.
They're smoked and then fried. Smoked and then fried. Look at that. What else did you get?
Fries.
Oh, I wonder. Yeah. You can be able to eat all that.
Am I gonna be? No. You're gonna eat some of these wings.
All right. So some of these wings are getting eaten. Well, I gotta ask you a serious question. This determines our friendship right here. Are you ready?
Well, probably not, but go ahead anyway.
The most important question of the day. Drums or flats?
I like them both, but I really like the flats.
Okay, we don't need to hear no more. Walt is my best friend for today. Walt, you just passed the test. You come eat with me any day. So we're gonna eat some of this food. We're gonna watch him eat first, because we're gonna get his raw outtake, and he's gonna eat a fry first because that's what he wants to do.
Well, fries are not good if they're cold, so I usually will work on my fries first. Fries are good, homemade.
I never stick my hand in another man's food, but
Go ahead.
oh,
You should, I can't eat all that. I want to see you eat all that.
I'm not gonna eat all of this, but I will try my best to eat as much. Sauce smells pretty good.
I'll go ahead and eat a girl.
All right. So, how would you classify that flavor?
It's a pretty sweet sauce. It is peach bourbon.
This is peach bourbon. It's actually really good. I just got laughed at for adjusting my camera, but this is definitely worth the drive. I gotta try this other stuff too. I gotta try my burger. This brisket's coming home with me. This is the difference between White Walt and Black Walt. What we eat our chicken. He's so delicate with it. Oh, now there you go. I'm sure he feels so uncomfortable with me filming him while I eat, or while he eats, because this is just new to him. Alright, I'm gonna finish this. Let's try this.
You can definitely tell they've been smoked first, and that's, I mean, that's just like a little added something to it.
I'm trying to get a fork out.
More flavor.
That flavor on those wings are really good. Look at that. That creamy, cheesy macaroni. Okay. So, this is local cheese and stuff. You know, I keep it 100, keep it real. I'm not big on the macaroni. Super creamy and cheesy. We'll try it again. I don't know. Well, you need to taste this macaroni. You gotta taste that macaroni. Because this is why I brought Walt, because we need a different view, because his taste buds might love this macaroni. See, he had to do the same thing I had to do, because you had to get a double take, just a double check and make sure.
Well, I mean, it's not a macaroni cheese like you get out of the frozen food section at the store. I mean, it's the cheese that's different. But
you can definitely taste. You can tell it's homemade, but it's missing something, doesn't it feel like?
Well, it's not a sharp cheese that they've made out of it.
Yeah.
It's a little something. I mean, it's just different. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's the thing. Like, it's the flavor. I can't explain it. But after eating those wings and tasting that brisket, I think I probably should have tasted that macaroni and cheese first. But it's kind of bland. Like, I needed to put something else on it because it's not sharp enough. But this is just how I like my macaroni and cheese. If you like macaroni and cheese that's not sharp, it'd be perfect for you. Walt tried it. Black Walt tried it. I mean, so you got two people that tried it. But we're gonna try this burger next. This is like pure Carolina love. We got bacon. We got the patty. All this comes from North Carolina. Well, it comes right around the corner. Right, like the sauce. Everything's made like right here. The cheese. I'm just. I don't know which angle to give you. I'm just gonna go sit in this corner and go to sleep. So if you come to this place for brisket, make sure you come after 5 because you can get sliced instead of chopped. And this sliced is so good. And Walt's still working on his food. He's a man over there. He is the man. He can't even talk right now, but he's the man. So I'm taking my one wing, a piece of brisket, and half of my burger. And I'm taking all this home to eat. And I ate all the food from last week too. So we're gonna wrap this up outside. Walt had the itis and he was done. And he said, I cannot leave this one wing. And he's gotta eat it. Come on. This is like the eating championship. Walt, 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 Walt. Alright, so you know what I do every week. We when I'm done, we rate the places that we go to. So we got a special guest today. We're gonna let Walt rate this place. So Walt, I go off a 10-point scale. You gotta I don't know. You can critique this place and then I'll give my rating. Out of a 10-point scale, as you clean your teeth because this food was so good for you, what are you gonna give this place?
Well, I don't really give anywhere a 10, so I would say it's in the 9 range, somewhere around in there. Good atmosphere, very nice people waiting on you. I mean, I didn't have the only thing was the fact that they didn't have Coke products, which that's just a hit or miss. I mean,
Walt's kind of like me with little things. So Walt's gonna give this place a 9. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna give it an 8. I couldn't really. The only thing I didn't like was the mac and cheese, but that's just my taste buds. But I'm gonna give it an 8. It really should be probably. Yeah, it's got to be an 8 because.
I mean, that's fair.
Yeah, that's a fair rating. So hey, I really appreciate you guys tuning in once again. I'm gonna list the link for this place. They have a website where they have their sauces online. I'm gonna put that in the description below if you hadn't already noticed that. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a great weekend and tune in next week. So I've already shot the end of this video, but I forgot to tell you, my food was like $36, but I paid for me and Walt's. So we got a lot of food and they actually gave me the brisket for free, which shout out to you guys. But yeah, just wanted to let you know all the food we got was $36. So I think that's a pretty fair price. We got wings, brisket, a burger, cheese, what are those, curds? Yeah, cheese curds. Yeah, I mean, and he got French fries. So I mean, we got a lot of food for $36. But yeah, all right, wrapping this up soon.
Going to pick up some more pigs.
Oh, so this is total VIP access. So they see me vlogging and they were like, hey, do you want to come check out the smoker? I got to meet the 2 owners, the guy that works the farm, and the apprentice, you said?
Yep.
You, big apprentice, you're gonna be the man one day. So either they're taking me out back to kill me and feed me, or they're just gonna be like super nice and like let me get an extra VIP tour. This is pretty dope.
It's 50-50 owners. And so we actually took possession of this, what was that, about August or September?
Yeah, it was August.
Yeah, so we actually, this was an empty building and we turned it into a smokehouse. We got a 500-gallon smoker and a 250-gallon, and we run them almost around the clock.
So everything that's cooked comes out of here?
Everything that's barbecue related. So our ribs, our smoked chicken wings, our brisket. Right now we've got beef bacon on. We're slow smoking some beef bacon.
Look at that.
Yep. So that's gonna be, it's been curing.
So how long does this stuff have to cook?
This is about an hour and a half.
Okay.
And we're just getting a little smoke flavor on it, and everything's wood. You know, we don't use any gas, no electricity. Everything's wood. So Big Rob and Steven hold night shift all the time.
Oh, so this runs 24/7?
Yeah, we started Wednesday and it'll run till about 8 o'clock tonight, and then it'll be done. So it runs.
What's in those bags?
This is actually our brisket. So we put it in there, and they're resting right now.
That's what I was trying to get. Some sliced brisket instead of chopped.
Done here before long, and then you know we just basically all that's our wood pile, locally sourced wood.
So everything pretty much comes local.
Yeah, everything's local. You know, minus certain things that are out of season. For example, he raises all of our pigs. He raises the bulk of our beef cattle. When we don't have a cow ready for finish, we use a local farmer in Cleveland County.
All right, and what's your name again?
I'm Johnny Ray.
All right, this is Johnny Ray.
Yep, Big Rob.
And that's Big Rob. Yep. So I really appreciate this tour. I'm sure you guys are gonna appreciate this tour. So yeah, definitely check this place out. I'll get the address and everything and I'll put it in this video like I always do.